cat's eye, I get to enjoy this picture from the ottoman that I got from YRC Freight. YRC Freight in California and other states were nice enough to bring me this ottoman that I bought. And you know what? It got lost. The first one got lost. And YRC, I think they're, I don't know if they're under investigation or not, but YRC has the other one. They said it was lost and somebody kept it. I don't know if it was their staff or Jeff Rogers might still have it. I'm not sure. So Jeff, the staff at YRC, this is the first, just the beginning of my insight to your company and business practices that might need looking into. YRC Freight, beware, your possible criminal activities are being watched.